Okay, let us begin with question number 67, page number 5.96. In this question, you need to calculate a goodwill. New ratio is not given. An old ratio is given 3:2, and unless being specified, their old ratio will be equal to sacrificing ratio. Starting with these adjustments, Z brings 40,000 as his share of capital claim for WCR. We already have a WCR. The very first transaction that has to be recorded in your revaluation account is your debtors, bad debt. Question says that adjustment is there for a bad debt of rupees 6,000. Already there is a provision of 4,000. So that loss we are going to meet out of this 4,000 which is given in your book and in your balance sheet. After that 2,000 is said to be the further loss that has to be debited from the debtors. That means total 6,000. 4,000 provision for doubtful debt is already given. So provision, we are going to meet that loss out of that provision, and finally 2,000 will be the further loss on debtors that we have to record here. Second, they said that creditors are to be paid 2,000 more, increase in liability. There is a new claim for damages of rupees 2,000 and outstanding rent brought down to. That means if you see the difference, liability is decreasing. That results in profit, so we have to record that same. Okay. Finally, you will have a loss of rupees 4,200 that has to be distributed in their old ratio. After that, we need to prepare a partner's capital account. Balance brought down of other two partners. New partner brings 40,000 as his share of capital. He is not bringing his share of premium in cash. Second thing is being said that WCR is already given to you is 5,600. Out of that, a new claim to be maintained of rupees 3,000. That means the new claim or the new reserve for WCR will be 3,000. That out of that 5,600, 2,600 is a free reserve. So that 2,600 we are going to distribute in their old ratio. That comes to 1560 and 1040. Once again, 5,600 minus 3,000 gives you 2,600, which is again a free reserve. That free reserve we are going to distribute in their old ratio. Next is said to be goodwill. If you will calculate his share of goodwill, firm's goodwill, out of which his share of goodwill, that comes to rupees 3,000. We all know how to calculate the goodwill. That 3,000 we are going to raise it from his current account. So we are going to raise it from his current account. So Z's current account debited to X and Y's capital account. This is for raising his share of premium, okay, because he is unable to bring his share of his share of premium in cash. Revaluation loss we have transferred. Profit and loss debit balance already given in the balance sheet need to be written off. That we have again debited here, and finally you will get this amount of balances, okay. Then finally we are going to prepare a balance sheet. Outstanding rent brought down to 11,200. Creditors 2,200, because 20,000 was already there, we need to increase 2,000 more, that gives you 22,000. A new claim for damages will be 2,000, and WCR will be reserve, the liability for WCR will be 3,000, and the sum total of all the three capitals. This is said to be 1,47,400. So this capital is said to be the new capital, okay, partner's capital in a new firm. After that, in a cash you are going to record the balance, cash balance plus the amount brought in by the new partner, which is 40,000. So total cash will be 50,000. Out of debtors, consider the external value. You can do in two ways. Either you can deduct 76,000 minus 2,000, the adjustment that we have here, or else what you can do is 80,000 minus 6,000. So both the things will give you 74,000. That means total debtors available to you 80 minus 6,000 will give you 74. Or else 76 of good debtors minus 2 will give you 74. Stock no change, machinery no change. The new thing that you have to add on is said to be Z's current account of rupees 3,000, which is the premium amount. That we have raised from his current account. So that current account balance we have to record towards the asset side. So this is how you are going to deal with the question when a new partner unable to bring his share of premium in cash, which is to be raised from his current account. First thing. Second thing, when there is said to be a claim on WCR which is less than the available claim, so remaining free reserves need to be distributed. And how we are going to deal with the bad debt. Already when any liability or any losses, provision for that loss is maintained. So first of all meet from that, and after that if any amount left, that has to be recorded here. So practice this question. In between, we have already done question number 60. Now 60 to 67 you are going to practice. Any doubt you can WhatsApp me, you can call me up personally to if there is said to be any doubt.